Don't go to school. Don't study. Just follow your passion. Schools are scam. Are these videos trending on your screen and your kid's screen as well? Let's be real. Are these ideas helping or harming your children? These trends are misleading millions. So let's find out with me in this video today what's real and what's true for children. Agreed, there are few people, few YouTubers, influencers who have achieved fame and are successful without traditional schooling. But what's the catch? Here's the catch. What they had skills, routine, guidance, and above all, hard work. Ironically, which they learned somewhere. So let's not sell shortcut to the kids who have even yet not established their foundational years. Be real, school sometimes may focus more on marks and pressurize kids, but they offer a lot more than that. They provide fixed routines, disciplines, peer learning and social emotional learning, and much more to the children. Depends on the school you choose. They offer a space where children can go for debates, quiz, and coding clubs, theater, and many more, which is also required for child's growth. Provide different languages, English, mathematics, sciences, and different courses which are coming in. They also offer numeracy, literacy, and much more. Children do need exposure to many other things as mathematics, science, arts, languages, not only just one passion, because they still have to explore what they are good for. Schools also provide safety net for children with special learning needs, with mental and behavioral issues, and the guidance is provided for all that. Career counseling is also provided, and highly trained teachers especially who are mentors in the early years. That's what a child needs. It's not about studying more, it's about studying right. Putting children in 4 to 5 different classes and then expecting them to achieve with one passion, it's not possible. Putting children in 4 to 5 different classes or skipping school, both extremes are harmful. It's about how to balance. It's the entire game changer is how we teach. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. Rather than putting in 10 different classes and pressurizing the children, it's about only providing with 2 hours the right way of teaching and equipping the child what they need. And every child has different needs. Not only about the building school, it's about the right mindset, growth, peers, and the entire environment which schools are offering and schools must offer. So let's not confuse children. No school, no study, and skip schools anymore. We put our faith in the right learning with the right methods rather than saying no methods. Let's rebuild with the smart routines rather than no routines. Children require smart routines more than ever. Compassionate and skilled teachers, the new ways of learning. That's what we need to explore more. So if you're a parent, educator, or a teacher, and if you had enough of these viral videos rather than only content creation, then write comment enough with me for more videos on educational trends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.